So if you haven't converted an Epson printer into a sublimation printer and refill the tank with sublimation ink and do not print anything for 2 weeks, are you still be able to use the printer again? We're about to find out. This has happened exactly to me. I just converted 2 weeks ago this printer into sublimation printer, but I went out on a business trip for 2 weeks. Nothing have done ever anything. No printing, no cleaning, no nothing on this printer. So we're about to find out after 2 weeks if we can still use this as a sublimation printer or not. So obviously the first order of business is check the nozzle. So here's the printout pages for the nozzle check. Yes, you see all the lines for all the colors are pretty darn good. They're not wavy, they are straight, and I would say the nozzle is still functioning. Obviously, the second part of the test is to print high quality pictures and see if the pictures have any obvious defects. So I'm currently using the normal paper, and let's see how it turns out. Judging from the picture quality and also the bokeh effect, I would say the picture quality is really good, even though it's printed on the regular paper instead of sublimation paper. I would say after 2 weeks of stalemate, the printer is still working, the nozzle is still functioning very well. I was quite amazed. So that was kind of mystery to me as a newbies, is if I'm not using the sublimation printer for about 2 weeks, can I still do the work? The answer is definitely